Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam channel, and today we are going to start a new model and I found out something that is new. So this is our new project, and as you can see that in this portion there is something as a difficult part. Maybe, I don't know, I have not tried yet. And here you can see that there are levers over this point. So and we have some of the elevation view from this front, from the back, and we have the ground floor, the first floor and the second floor. So let's get started with making this project. And we have some references that you can find in the description, so just check out the link in the description. You will get every file, and let's get started. So just open your Revit, and here just go to new, select Imperial Architecture, and okay. After architecture, just go to insert, and after inserting, import image, and here you can find your folder where you have saved it. So for me it is this place. Let me check it out. Where is our first floor, ground floor? So I think this is our ground floor. Okay, so let me just open it, double click to open it, and I can put it this way. Okay, if I put it this way, this is our, let me check it out. So if we are making something, it will be in the direction that is east direction. Okay, this is our north direction, this is our east. If I go to level 1 once again, and let me check it out. So this is our north elevation, so this is our north, and we have to make, let me check, I've written the name of the files. So first let me check it out. So this is our front view, that is north view. So front view is at north, and if I can see in this image, this is our back view. So opposite of north is, I think this, if this is our north, okay, this is our north and this is our south. So we need to rotate this image, so just rotate it like this by 90 degree, and now we have it. So this is our north, and from this direction we are going to make it. And just remember to rotate it because it was not actual this, just a second. So we have rotated our model. After that we need to take the size of it. So our outer wall size is 9 inches, and if I can find some door at this place, so this is our main door. And any other door do we have in this plan? Let me check. So yes, this is our bathroom door. Is it our bathroom at this place? Yes, this looks like bathroom. Okay, and here is our kitchen, this is our back side, and this is our parking area. So let's get started from making. Okay, just you can select your image. Okay, and before selecting you can make a line, that is model line. So just select this model line and take a line from this place to this place. So I think it will be a little bigger. So this is our line. Then just select this image after making that line over that door. Then select your image and go to modify, and then in modify just select, here you will find a scale, that is its shortcut is RE for resize, and then start from the starting point of the line to the ending point of line. And we gave this bathroom door size as 2 feet 6 inches width. Now just press enter, and now we have our plan. So this is our actual plan size, I think so. Maybe it will be a little different here and there, but I will keep it like this. And now we need to draw is grid line. So just go to datum and just draw a grid line from every wall section that you can find. So this is our first grid. Just increase the size of this grid from this point to this point. then again go to grid. You can use the shortcut GR, and then from this middle point to this middle point, and done. Then again GR grid, and then we can make it from here at this point, and you can also delete your model line that you have made before, so I've just deleted it. And from here till here, then again GR, and after that we need to find one more wall, maybe at this place. This is not a wall, but still, if I can find something there, we have to make a grid, because right now we have no idea what is there, what is not. So you can just make it like this, again grid, and then we can find a wall at this place, that is this middle place. So just remember to make a grid from the middle, and then increase the size of it from here to here all over the image. Then again GR, and then you can make a grid from this side, and after that increase the size of it, then again grid, and here we have an angle, so we just need to make a outer grid, and till this place it is done. And this is our wall, I think so. So outer wall, it is made up of glass. So we have 8 grids, that is horizontal grids. Now we are going to put some vertical grids, and if you want to see the same name on this side, just click on this OK button and you will find it. Just select any of the grid and tick it, and now we'll see that the name is showing. So like this you can do it. After that again GR for grid, and here just find a wall first. So you can start from here, maybe. Okay, let's get started from this place only. So first just make one grid and then rename it as, that was number, so you can rename it as A, and now you will have it. And then just increase the size of it, put A here, again grid, and then if we have started from here, this is our second grid line, that is main grid line. So if you don't want to put this grid, you can also do that, but I found something that there was something like a wall, so I just made it. And then we have a wall at this place, we have a wall at this middle place, then we have a wall at this place, and just remember to make equal size of everything. Okay, done. Just tick it and you will find the name. Then again grid, and here we have something like wash basin, so we are going to make, okay, we already have it here, so just increase the size of it from this place till here, and again grid. And remember that these grids are very much important for our project, so just do it as fast as you can. As you can see, I'm taking time a little bit more than usual. Again grid, then from this place to this place, and there are many grids in this project, so just don't get confused. And then again grid, GR, the shortcut, and here is our, these are stairs, I think so, but is there anything else in the middle? Okay, just make a stair and undo, it was a little bit aligned, so just take it from this place and come over here and till here, done. Then again grid, and we can take a grid from here. And remember, you are making your own project. If you do some mistake, it is not a problem. You can just do it by the grids that you got as a distance, so that is not a problem. If like this, if I can see here, I cannot find the angular line here, so if you want to take a grid at that angular point, you can also do it. If you don't want, you can just leave it, but I do want that. And as you can see that there's a wrong renaming, so we will just do is I put any name over here, then just select I, then here is J, and now it is fine. Just do it like this, and after this grid, and now we have this second last grid at this place, and these are damn too many grids, but not a problem. These grids are going to help us out in making our project. Okay, we need one more grid after this, so this is the last one. I mean this one. This is the last chia, and till this place. Done. And remember to place it in all at an equal place, so you can do that, and we will just leave this place. So this is our uh, grid lines that we got from the reference images. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to take the distance, and we are going to make it clear that nothing is out of this dimension. Like this is 22.6 feet, that is very large area. Here we have 3 feet, that is our entrance. This is fine, not a problem. And here we have a 10 feet area for our, I think this is a bathroom, so this is way too big, so I think we have made a mistake in taking the grids, I think so, but let me check it out. We don't have a car of 10 feet, so let me check average size of car. Car in feet, and here you can find that length of car is 15 to 16 feet, 4.2 to 4.9 meters, so we got it right. Okay, then it is not a problem. If card length is almost 14 feet and we got it as 10 feet 6 inches, so this would be like 3 to 4 feet, so that is fine. Okay, we have not got it wrong. We are doing everything right now. And from here to here we have 3 feet, and I think this dimension are good like this. Here you can find that it is 8 and 5 by 8. This is not a precise dimension, so I will do it as 8, then again take dimension from this place to this place, and again as you can see that 5 by 8 is enough, so just increase the dimension, I mean decrease the dimension. Here also 5 by 8, so actually we have got the dimension right. So if we had reduced the dimension over here, everything would have been in its place, so not a problem. And from here to here it doesn't look right. So what we are going to do is, it's 12 feet 2 inches, we are going to make it as 12 feet. What if I do it as 12 feet 6 inches? It is going out, not a problem. And you can reduce it by 12 feet 4 inches, and I will find that it is at the middle place. And again take dimension shortcut is di, and you can also take this dimension from this align from the annotation. So this, what I'm using is di as a shortcut, and here you can find that it is 8 5 by 8. Okay, 8 4 by what it was, so 8 feet 4 inches and 5 by 8, that is the distance. You can do it as 8 feet 5 inches and done. And if you want to reduce it, like in this case I do want to, so 8 feet 3 inches, and at this place we have got 6 feet 1 inches, so I will keep it at 6 feet, and now it's done. After this, just take the dimension and Okay, this is at 6 feet, so I think it is fine. Di, and from here to here, and just a second. Okay, so after this we need to take the distance from this side, that is this horizontal. So as you can see, we have first of all 6 feet as a distance here, and I don't think it is right, so I will take it at 6 feet 6 inches, 6.5 feet, that is. And after that, again you can take di for dimension and take a dimension from this place to this place. It is 2 feet 10 inches, and let me check it out if it is 2 feet 10 inches. Okay, it is not. Okay, this is fine. You can just remove this, and now you can see that this is 2 feet 6 inches. For you it can be different, so don't you need to worry, just take it as it is. And here we have it as 4 feet 3 inches, and I cannot find a wall at this place. Okay, it is at this place, and I can reduce the size of it by 1 inch or 2 inch, so I will keep it at 4 feet 2 inches. And after that, again dimension, and dimension from this place to this place, and take it as, right now it is at 8 feet. If you want to increase it or decrease it, you can do that. And here I do want it as 10 feet 8 inches. And now as you can see, we have this at this place. And now I do think one more grid is needed at this place, so GR for the grid. And from here you can take a grid, and this is, you can rename it as 5.1, 5.1, 5.1, and okay. And now we have our grid at this place. And then we have, okay, we need to take out the dimension for this from here to here, and it is 1 foot, that is exact. Okay, and then from this place to this place, it is 4 feet 12 inches. You can do it as 5 feet, and now we have it. Then again di, and from here to here we have a swimming pool inside it, so it is at 16 feet 4 inches. If you want to increase the size, you can do it at 16 feet 6 inches, and now it is done. And this is our last dimension from here to here, and it is 6 feet 3 inches. You can keep it as exact 6 feet 3 inches, and now it is fine. So we made a clear dimension at all over the place except this place. This is 3 feet 3 inches. You can do it as 3 feet. Okay, I will keep it at like this. Okay, so we have some of the exact dimension and few here and there, so not a problem for that one. And now what we need to do is we need to make some elevation. So just go to elevation, and here let me see the image, and from the image we will have to find it out that how much distance it is. So from this image, as I can see, this is 10 feet and 2 feet for the upper portion. Maybe it is only 10 feet, so if I take it as 10 feet and reduce its size at 1 foot here, so 10 feet and 9 feet, and here we have it at 10 feet, so 10 feet 20 feet, and after 20 feet we have a 2 feet area. No, not like that, so we need to figure it out. Let me check. Okay, from here as I can see, it is of 9 inches or 10 inches the floor, and here it is at 10 feet, and at the top level it is at, I can consider it at as 12 feet. Let me see the other elevation. So 10 feet till here, 12 feet, and we have something on the upper portion, and from here I can see that 10 20 or maybe 10, then it is at 9, then again 1 feet, and we have something on the top that is not in the visible range. So 10, 20. So from all lives I can say that it is like 20 feet. So and I can take it as 1 foot more or 2 feet more. So you need to make elevation at 0, then 10, then 20, then 22, and also at 24 I think. So first we will make 1, 2 and 3 elevation, and then we will figure out that what else do we need for the project. So do we have other section view? No, these are the only sections we available for us. And this is the front view, so 10, 20, and this is something that is going on the other side. So let us make it till here first, and then we will figure it out. So just go to Revit, and okay, just remember to save your project. So I am going to save it as this only. Just make a new folder and just keep it like this, and okay, and then GP house. I will rename it later, and in option you can keep your maximum backup as 1 and okay, and save it, and now it's done. Then we need to make elevation, that is at first elevation is at 10 feet that we already have. And from here, if you want to increase the size of it, as you can see, when we keep it at the same level, we can increase the size of it at once. And now you can either go to architecture, and from in data you will find the level, or you can press double L on your keyboard and you will get this level button. And after that, pick lines and give it an offset of 10 feet, and here we have it 10 feet. Then we had a offset of 1 feet, and now we have it at 1 feet. Maybe it is little bit more, so I will keep it at 2 feet, and here it is at 2 feet, and after that it was at more 3 feet maybe. So I'm going to keep it at 3 feet, and now we have it. And if you want to increase the size of this grid, you can also do it by like this, and we need to rename these levels. So let me check if we have something in the underground levels. So okay, we can keep it like this, and here we have it at underground level only, and here's the size of it a little bit more. So let us just make it like from here. Okay, let's get started. And we had some level, we need to rename it, and let me check once again. This is at the bottom level. If you want to keep it as a straight line, that I want to keep, but okay, I will keep it as a straight line only for this portion, because making like this type of structure, it would be hard for you a little bit. If you want to see this type of things, you can watch my last videos and you will find something like that. And as you can see from here, we have underground level at 1, so we can also do that like this. Okay, I will make that also level, and here you can keep it as offset 1 feet, and just do it like this, and now we have it. And then just go to scale, reduce the scale by 3.8. Now we have our label. We can rename it as, this is our not road label. Okay, I will keep it as road label. Road label, yes. Then we have our ground label. Ground level, then we have, after ground level we have a ceiling. Actually, if I can see, we have ceiling from that side, but we don't have a ceiling on this side. So what we need to do, we have to figure out something else. Okay, this is at 9. Is there any gap between both? Okay, so as I can see, actually this is full length wall, and here it is at 9 feet. So we are going to keep it at 10 feet, and this wall that we are going to keep it at the outside for the parking. We are going to reduce the size of this wall, so as I have figured out. So just go to this level again, and here we can keep it as ground level. So this is our first floor, Yes, corresponding view name, you need to change it. After that, second floor, and then we have roof, and here we have something like, I don't know what it is, maybe there's the stair house, so you can keep it as top roof, or stair out, you can rename it as stair out area. So I don't know it is here or not. Where is our stair? Not from this angle, we can see it from here, and we don't have it at top, so we are not going to make this. So it is still here only, so I think this is the for air condition outing, so we will keep it as air out, and okay, and air out is as you can see that it is on the top, so we don't need to keep it at top, so you can rename it as out left. Maybe we at this place something, so we need to rename it once again. For example, you can do it as one dot road level. Always remember to give a number so that you can see. Now it will just a second. 2 dot ground level, 3 4 5, and it is at 6. Dot, and now we have it. As you can see, we have floor plan in an arranged manner. So now just go to road level, and I think it will first level, that was our 1 by 2. So we can't find 2, we need to go here and rename it as 2 dot ground floor, and we don't have our name. Why we don't have it as 2 dot ground level? I will again rename it. No, it is not taking 2 dot ground level, no, and outlet is okay. Okay, 26 element will be deleted. No, we don't want to delete that. Where is our second floor, third, first floor, and ground level? And ground level, just rename it from here 2 dot ground level. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can keep outlet rename as 6 dot, and here you can find that your ceiling name is also not written like that, so just do it as this way, and now we have it. So now we are going to make some wall, so just select WA, and our outer wall is 9 inches. Here we have 8 inches, so just go to edit type, duplicate, and make it as 9 inches, and okay, and here go to edit structure, 9 inches. Here we are done. Okay, okay, and then we have a wall of 4.5 inches, so just go to duplicate and rename it as 4.5 inches for the inner wall. 4.5 inches, maybe it will not be used in our project, I don't know, I have not started the project yet. And 4.5 inches, and done. And then we have 2 of the walls, so just select the 9 inches wall, and from here start making new project. So this is our outer wall, and let us see that from where our wall starts. So you always need to take your reference images. So these are the outside area, and this is where our plan is. So how can we make it? Where is our boundaries? So I think these are the boundary lines of the outer side. These are the things that we can see at 9 feet, but we can start from here. So this portion, and here we don't have, so just get started. And we can start it from this point, and 9 inches is not fine at wall center line. Just take wall face exterior, and now from here you can take a wall from here till here, and we can align it later. So just WA wall shortcut again, and then we need to make a wall from this point, so wherever this portion starts. So from here we need to take, this is not 9 inches, you can take it as 4.5 inches. Just go to wall again and wall, and just remember that from the base constraint is level 2 and top constraint is level 3 right now, so that is first floor. So just take 4.5 inches wall, and you can make a wall from this place to this place. And from here, as you can see that, if I press a spacebar, this changes the direction, so just change the direction of it, and from here to here, and from here to inside. And let me check it out once again, and now we have our wall from here. So maybe it will come out a little bit more at this portion. Okay, then again wall, and I think here is not this wall. If we need to change it, we will change it later. And then again take a wall and just start making it from here till this place. Maybe not this place, let me check it out. These are our glass panel, I think, and we have our wall till this place. So this is our wall portion. Then again go to wall, and here we have some wall maybe, or this is the curtain panel. Let me check on the back side. Okay, these are our curtain walls, and if I can zoom it out, here we have something like column. So here we have our entrance, we have our stair over there, and this looks like these are the curtain walls. Okay, and half of this portion is wall. So which view is it? This is the north view, and north view. Okay, from this portion, as I can see, this is our section. So this is the internal portion of it. This is also a section view. The outer view, as you can see, that there is only glass used. So what we are going to do is, we have our wall till here, and we need to make our glass panel from this place. So just go to wall, and here select curtain wall, and then just start it from here to here, and from here to here, and we got our one of the curtain wall. And then we have a wall, WA wall shortcut, and we have a wall from, I think, at this place. We have something like wall, not a curtain wall. This is an actual wall, if you can see from the image. Let me show you. So where is our wall section at this place? As you can see from here, or maybe from this different angle. Okay, as you can see from here, we have a wall. So this is something angular wall. So let's just make it from this place. On this wall, just go to 4.5 inches wall, and we have it. Okay, just make an angular wall from this place to this place, and here we have, from here we had an angular wall. Then we need to make a wall something like this, or maybe this is the sit out area. Okay, this is the sit out area, and we have a wall behind that, so this is not a wall. Just delete this one, again make a wall, wall is from this place to this place, and from here to here we have a wall, and maybe this is a curtain wall, I don't know, let me check. Okay, we will keep this wall, and from this place we have curtain wall that we already made. And from image, let's just check it out. So as you can see, there's no TV over here this place, and in this image you can see the TV and sofa set. So this is a wall over here, and then we have a curtain wall, then we have a wall, and instead of one connector, just connect it to level, that is first floor. And then we don't need the outside wall, and just go to 3D and let us check it out how we have made it. So this is something like this, and maybe there is a problem at this place. We just go to ground level once again, and now we are going to make the change in it. So here we have it as a wall, 9 inches wall, and if I can remove this, okay, so we have a 9 inches wall at this place. And let's delete this wall, and you can guess the size of this wall from here to here. And as you can see that we have got this portion, and this is the outer side. Maybe this is the outer side or not, I don't know. Okay, this is the outer side, and here we have a wall. So there's no glass wall over that place. We have sitting out area over this place, so we are going to keep it. And then we need to make a floor. So before making floor, let me just check it out. Floor is something like this type, and floor start from the road level, and this start from the ground level. So just go to road level, and before going over there, okay, we are just going to ground level, then make a floor, take a rectangle and just draw a rectangle something like this, and put it under the elevation side, and now we have it. So this is our floor, that is a thick road level. Now it is fine. Then just take it once again, and now we have something like this. We need to make a floor from this place, or maybe if you want to reduce the size of it, like right now it is at 12 inches. If you want to reduce the size of it, you can do it as 6 inches, and now we will have a gap of 6 inches. So maybe there's a gap of 6 inches in which we are going to make the floor for this portion. And let's get started making this portion. Just go to ground level, and at ground level, if as you can see we have no image. Either you can do that wireframe option to see the back image, or you can just double S to hide this, select this floor and double S to hide it. So that is one of the option. After that, what else do we need to do? We need to make the floor for the ground level. So just go to floor, and here take a line, and now start making your floor. So this floor starts from here maybe to this place, and goes something like this and something like this. Now take a line, make a flow from here to here till inside TR for trim, and remember to put it on the inner side always. And this is our gravel type of image, so we are going to keep it at 6 inches. Okay, done. And at this place till here you need to make this floor, then TR for trim. From here to here you need to cut, and then from here to here, and then just trim it from this portion to this portion. And now we have something like this. And as you can see, we have not made a floor from this place, so just make it something like this, and now we have it. And now we have our floor something like this, so we are going to keep it. And after this, go to ground level once again and check your wall. In this portion I cannot figure it out what it is, but from here I can find something angular. From this place, there's something angular, as you can see. This wall is angular, and from different portion also. This is a wall. So let's just check it out from here we have a sitting area, and from here we have this, so we can make something angular from here. WA for the wall, and from here till here maybe. I can't figure it out that what is that this portion, but from images I can see that there's a lot of confusion, so just try to bear with me. Yes, so as you can see from this portion we have something like this, and this portion is coming out. So okay, what we are going to do is delete this one. No, this is not here. Just go to wall and select your wall from here to this place, and this is a wall over here, and after this place this is on the inner side, and from here we can make a wall from here. So just take WA, and here you can select your curtain wall. So just take a curtain wall, and from this wall just make something like this, and then trim it out from here to here, and now we have a portion like this, and now we have it. If you can see from this portion, and here we need to make something. So just go to wall, WA, and from here either you can choose your curtain wall or you can choose your wall. So here we have our wall, so we can choose a curtain wall, and just go to wall, curtain wall, and from this portion you can just select a wall from here to here, and then from this portion, and now we have it. And now as you can see we have something like this over here. After that, go to ground level, and we need to make the inner walls also. So WA is our inner walls from this portion to this portion, not this curtain wall. Go to wall, and here select 4.5 inches wall, and we have our wall from here to here. Then we have our wall from this portion to this portion. Then we have our wall from here to here. Here we have a 9 inches wall, and here we have 4 inches wall, 4.5 inches wall. Again select wall, change the size of it to 9 inches, and from the middle you can just take the wall center line, and now we have it. And here we have a curtain wall. Just select every thinner line is curtain wall, and with thicker line is that which wall, that is our 4.5 inches wall. As you can see here we have our 9 inches wall on the outer side, double edge to height. Okay, no, just go to ground level once again. Here we have a 9 inches wall. If I remove this, not a problem. Okay, just keep it here, and you can reduce the size of it. From this portion we have something of, just reduce the size of it, unjoint element, remove constraint, everything you can do. And let me check if we have double wall over here. No, so we need to make a glass wall from this side. So wall, and here to here, and maybe this is 4.5 inches. No, this. After this, what else do we have? We have a wall over here, so just select WA, 4.5 inches wall, and just make a wall from this portion to this portion, and from this portion to this portion, and from here to here. And now you have a wall at this place. Then again select wall, and just make a wall from here. And we don't have a wall, we have a kitchen, so we are going to keep it. And then this is the outer portion, so we are going to keep it like this. And now just see the 3D view, and now we have it. Maybe we need to make some changes later on, so I just align this portion, and then just go to first floor, and again you need to load your image. So go to this folder, and here you will find that we made the ground floor first. This was our ground floor. Then just select this, and you can either insert or do it like this. So just insert it, then rotate it by 90 degree. So just from just select this, rotate it, and from this angle just rotate it by 90, and now just take it outside and find a door. So dr is the door shot, or not dr, and here we need to put a line. So where is our door? So let me check. Go to ground floor once again, and here is our bathroom door. And from this portion, as I can see, that we need to rotate it by this, like something like this, that is 180 degree more. And now we have it at this portion like this, something like this. And from here we need to find a door that is at this place, but if I can find a bathroom door, no, I can't find it. And this is our bedroom, I think. So if there's a bedroom, then it will be at 3 feet. So just take a line. Li is the line shortcut. You can also go to architecture and take a line. So just from this place to this place, this is 1.5 inches. Just select your image, and R is the scaling shortcut, or you can go to modify and select scale, and from here to here you can put it as 3 feet. That is our room size door, or maybe 2 feet 6 inches. Let me check if we got it right. And we need to put it somewhere at this place. And I think okay, there's a fatal error, and now everything is gone. Recovery file changes you like, yes, and recovery save, and maybe the recovery file would be saved. Just let me open once again, not a problem. So Revit just I think got out of memory, and I will just finish this second floor and I will end this session, because okay, let me refresh it, and we have 256 subscribers right now, so remember to subscribe. Okay, so Revit is going to take some time, and let it open. And here's our recovery file. Just go to first floor. We have our image. So what we can do is, if you can't see this image, let me check if I can go to wireframe mode and see the inner side. No, I can't. So we have one more option. Go to this and show the road level, maybe, and wireframe. No, it's not showing in the range base also. So just select ground level, and what else we can do is just go to ground level, select your image, and then copy, and then go to first floor, align to the same place. So align to the selected view, no, align to the, just go to modify once again, paste, align to the current view, and now we have it. And we need to align it like this. So we need to reduce its size. Let me check if we started recording or not. So yes, it is recording right now. So we need to make it equal. So how can we make it? Okay, we can do one thing, that is take a line from starting point to the ending point, and we can take its distance. So di is the distance, or you can do is just remove this image, double S to hide, and then put this image over this place and try to align it. So just put your image on this size from where it has started the line and the ending point, and then select this point and then scale. RE is the scale shortcut, and we need to scale this image from this starting point to this place to this ending point of the line, and now we have scaled it right. So if you remove this image, it will not. Okay, HR, and delete this first image, and now just try to align it once again on this image. So from here to here, as you can see, there's a green line inside it, so maybe it will be a bit difficult for you, but you can try it. And now you can see that we have aligned it, and now we have it on the right place. Just delete this image, and now we have our floor. So just go to architecture, wall, and here let us check that what do we need. So at here, the starting point of it, we have louvers. So we will leave this place. We are going to make it tomorrow. You can place a curtain wall at this place to make that one, and maybe a little bit on this side. Will it be fine? Okay, this is our louver, this is our grid, and also remember to check your grid lines, and the most important part of it. So from grid lines, as you can see, this is not matching, so we have to match it. And now from here I can see that this place is matching, this place is matching, this place does match with our wall. Here we have our wall and it does match, and doesn't match, so we can keep it like this, not a problem. And maybe this is our ending point, so we are going to keep it. And here just take a wall that is 4.5 inches wall, 4.5 inches, and you can make it from this third floor to the fourth, that is second floor, and just make a wall from this side to the ending, and make a wall from this side to the ending, and then we make a wall from this side. Maybe you can open it, I don't know right now. Okay, maybe this is not a wall at this place, maybe this ends here. So we are just making some rough drawing right now. We will align everything, and from here it would be a curtain wall. So just go to this, select curtain wall, and maybe it will be a bit harder for you to figure it out, but once you start figuring it out, you will just know what is there. And if you can't figure it out, you can check out my previous videos, and from there you will get an idea what I'm doing right now. So from here we have a clean wall, so just take 4.5 inches wall and make it from this place in from middle to here. And you can also make few new grid lines if you want to, but at this place I don't want to make anything else. From here to here we have a wall, from here to here we have a wall, from here we have a partition wall, and from here we have a wall. And okay, this is our curtain wall, we can remove that wall from there. And here we have this. Okay, this is our grid line, this is our bedroom, this is our bathroom, that is inner bathroom. So we need to do is we need to make a wall over here, and this is our wardrobe area, this is our gate, and this is exactly 3 feet, so not a problem. And then we have a wall from this place to this place to this place, and now we have a wall. And then we need to make a one more wall from this place to this ending point, and here we have 9 inches wall, that is fine. And what else do we have? We need to make a wall here. If it is a bathroom, you cannot keep it open, so we have put a wall at this place. And after this, and from this place we have made something like this, and we need to align everything right now. So first of all, okay, and let's check something more. So just take a wall and make a wall. If I have made a wall, no. So from this place we do need to make a wall. So we have a wall over here, and then we have a wall, and you can take it till here. And here is our maybe bathroom or bedroom. So this is our bedroom area, and we have a 4.5 inches wall. Just attach it till here. Then we have something as a outing area maybe, so we can either remove the wall from here, so we will see it later. After that, take wall, and we need to figure this portion. So from here to here we have a 4.5 inches wall, and from here to here we have a 4.5 inches wall, and go to 3D, and now we have something like this, and now I think it looks cool. Okay, and after that we need to make a wall over this point, so I'm leaving it because here we have a lower point. So lower wall we are going to make it tomorrow, because we need to make that by a curtain wall, and that is a special family type, so we are going to make a new family by tomorrow. And here we have a wall. I think no, we have no wall, so we are going to create it from this portion to a straight line like this maybe. And we have an overlapping wall, so just reduce the size of it till where we have created it, and go to 3D view. Now you can see that we have something like this. And where else do we need to put some walls? So you will have to figure it out one by one, and it is a bit a tricky part. So for beginners, I will suggest that you can see my old videos, just watch it, and you will be able to understand what I'm doing right now. And here we have a wall 4.5 inches, and here we don't have a wall, so we are going to create it. And ending point of this wall start from here to here. We just go to 3D, and now we have something here. After this we can make the floor for the upper level, or maybe we can remove this one. If I can see, we have a straight line from here, and we have a curved line that is at angular place. So what we can do, just remove this wall, and we have a straight line from here, that is this one. And from image I can see that these are the louvers. So today we are keeping this wall here, and we are going to remove this one. Just go to first floor, and here you can select floor, and in the floor option you can just make a floor from this place. So start making it from here, that is angular point, and here to here, and from here to here, and maybe it ends at this point. Let me check it out. So no, it, it ends here, and we have it till this place, and we have it something like this. And just finish it and attach. You can select this option, okay and okay, and just go to 3D view. And now we have a floor that is coming out of it. In this place this is fine, but at the outer place I can see that there is no wall, so I'm going to remove this outer wall. And in this portion there is a wall or not, let me figure it out. So we don't have a wall at this place also, so we are going to reduce the size of it. Just go to the first floor, and here we have a wall over this place. Just reduce the size of it till here, and now you can see that we have something like this. And you can, if you want to make the top floor, maybe I will copy this floor. So just select this floor, go to front view or any view, it doesn't matter, and just go to copy. And before copying it, just remember to make this till this point. So just go to first floor, and remember to cover every wall. So select your floor like in 3D view, go to edit type, go to first floor, and now just take it outside. And from the front view, if I can see, let me check what we have in the front view. So it is coming out in the front view, as you can see, for 1 feet maybe. So I think this is the area, and then this is the parking area, and yes, it is fine for 1 feet. And just attach it, go to 3D view, and maybe if we want to edit it later on, we can do that. And once again let me check. Okay, it is coming out till here actually. So just go to top view, go to edit, and we need to keep it till this place, and okay, and attach it. And now we have a floor, and just copy this floor. Just go to this, copy line, align to selected level, go to second floor and copy it. And now we have a floor on the top side, and as you can see the wall are coming out. So what you can do is just go to edit mode and finish it. And now you can find that we have attach option, just attach it, and now you will see that every wall is attached to the floor. So this area is done. After this we need to, what else do we need? Let me check from the image. So where is our image? Back side. Okay, this is our back side, and here we have a louver, and this is also angular. So we are going to make a wall from this angle to this angle. Just go to first floor, to hide it, and I think from here to here we have a wall. So just go to first floor and take a wall, and here we have something like curtain wall louver. So we are going to create a curtain wall, and we will replace it later on. So you can just take your curtain wall, and here we have a curtain wall, and later on we are going to replace it. So from this angle to maybe like, no, from this point to this angle. Okay, and now we have our curtain wall. So as you can see, we don't need this one. Maybe from the image I can see that there's an angular wall. So we are just going to edit profile, front view, and from the front view just reduce the size of it, remove constraint, finish, and now it is done. And HR, and I think I'm going to end this session till here actually, because we have just passed the 1 hour mark. So I will try to keep my videos at 1 hour mark from today, maybe 1 hour 20 minutes that we used to do earlier. So just I will share this file, you can check out the description, and I will also share the reference images for this. So thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next session.